you also don't have that much space but want to play the drums, you can do it. That's the Odery coffee kit. Yes, and I use muffled heads and that funny guy that normally helps you with your frying pans. I'm Nora from Neuzugang and today I'm playing another one Bites the Dust by Queen from Trinity, drums grade 1. Okay, I'm now going to play the song for you. Oh, I forgot you're not going to hear some music because I didn't get the rights to it, so you kind of just have to take what you get from me improvising what I'm hearing. Okay, whatever happens, happens. It's a bass, by the way. Electric guitar. Buzz coming up. Steve walks merrily down the street with a print pulled way down low. Ain't no sound but the sound of his feet. Machine's gun ready to go. Are you ready? Hey! Are you ready for this? Are you hanging on the edge of your seat? Out of the doorway, the bullet's ripped. Yeah! Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. And another one goes. Another one goes. Another one bites the dust. Hey! I'm gonna get you. Tip 1. If you forgot to count the first 8 bars, it doesn't matter. As soon as you hear the guy singing, you know it's the verse. Fun fact, chickens love a good old dust bath. Yeah, if you want to see me struggling, improvising and singing another song, subscribe.